Today, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your Toyota key fob. If your button stopped working, that's the first thing to do, and it's super easy. I'm Mike with Tom's Key Company. At tomskey.com, we provide tons of do-it-yourself car key programming solutions so you can make a second or third or fourth key for your vehicle. Come check us out on our website, tomskey.com, if you need an extra key made for your vehicle and don't want to pay high dealership prices. Now, let me show you how to change the battery in your Toyota key. Okay, to change the battery on Toyota key fobs, first you want to remove any key rings. Then, on most of them, you can use a penny or a flathead screwdriver. I'm just going to take my penny, I'm going to find this little notch in the edge of the key, put it in, I'm going to twist it. I'm going to point these buttons downward so they don't fall out. I'm going to pop the case open. Now, sometimes you'll have ready access to the battery. Other times like this, you actually need to open up the little circuit board case with the buttons on it. So I'm going to try using my penny again. I want to be careful with my circuit board that I don't damage anything. And here's the battery. This is a CR2016. Sometimes it can be a little tricky to get the battery out. You might need to slide it along the top. Maybe reach under with your fingernail, get a hold of it. Sometimes you need to take a screwdriver or maybe a plastic fork, something that's not going to cause damage, and work it out. But eventually you can slide the battery out. This is a CR2016. There's a few different styles of these coin cell batteries. So you want to make sure you get the right one for your key fob. Just do the reverse order. The most important thing, pay attention to the plus and minus side. Sometimes they don't even have an indication of which side goes which way. So I like to take a photo before I remove the battery. That way be sure you get it back the correct direction. And if your fob's not working, you might have put the battery in upside down. So you just need to turn it over. Now we can just put everything back together. If these buttons fall out, never fear. You can put them back in, and you don't have to wear too much. They only fit in one way, as a general rule. So you got to play around with them until you figure out how exactly they fit. Okay, when you're all done, simply take your cover, line it back on, the reverse order from how it popped off, so close to the key blade, and snap it down. It should secure in nice and tight. Okay, you've seen how easy it is to change the battery in your key fob. Tom's Key Company makes it super easy to get another car key made for your vehicle. We look forward to helping you save money. Have a great day.